Healthy Living series, The Benefits of Fruit and Vegetables. What are the benefits of fruit and vegetables for young children? Fruit and vegetables provide a variety of nutrients and promote the health of young children. Also promote gastrointestinal health and prevent constipation. They can also increase satiety and help with weight management. How can parents help young children develop the daily habit of eating fruit and vegetables? In daily life, you can increase young children's exposure to and interest in fruit and vegetables. When dining out, you can order a dish of boiled vegetables or salad vegetables, and select a dish that comes with vegetables. When going out, you can provide fruit and vegetables as snacks, and buy fruit and vegetables with young children. When you are at home, you can cook with your children. You can offer at least one serving of vegetables and include different types of fruit or vegetables in your dishes. You can also replace unhealthy snacks with fruit and vegetables. How much fruit and vegetables should young children eat every day? To help young children develop healthy eating habit, provide them with a sufficient amount of fruit and vegetables every day, and be a role model for young children.